Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If you've been doing any of the wrapping paper crafts with me, you have some wrapping paper scraps. Let's use them. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. Thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for all of the positive contributions that you make. I really do appreciate it. Recently, we've been doing some wrapping paper projects on the channel. Wrapping paper projects, like any other paper crafting project, always lead to scraps. So today I am going to show you a very quick, probably less than 5-minute way that you can use these scraps to create something useful and sellable. So I'll switch to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at what I'm talking about, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Alright y'all, so here's some scrap that I had left over when I cut out the pieces that I needed to make this bag. And then I had this scrap left over from another project. Very easy what we're about to do. We're simply going to take our scrap and cover some mini composition books. Aren't these just adorable? You don't have to do a whole lot, just something simple, taking them from this state to this state. You can actually package these to sell. These make great stocking stuffers, or you can keep them for yourself. Let's do this very quickly. So I had these in my stash, and I've used many composition books on the channel numerous times, and that's what we're going to be using today. And I got these from the Dollar Tree, but you can find these anywhere. And I think they might even be cheaper at Walmart. You might want to check your local discount store, or if you're not in the US, you can probably find something comparable where you are. Very easy what we're about to do. So I'm only going to do one, and what I like to do is I like to just take my tape and place my tape down on the book like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and just trim away the excess, and then we'll go ahead and cover the back as well. So I'm not placing any tape on the black, but we will make sure that we have it nice and straight. Let's go ahead and place some tape here. And you don't have to use wrapping paper for this. If you have anything that you want to try using to cover yours, that's the beauty of paper crafting or crafting in general. Give what you have a try. Just because I'm not using it doesn't mean that you can't use it. And now we have our piece like this. So I am going to take my wrapping paper, then I'm going to take some of that scrap tape that I had, and I'm going to place it right along the edge. Now I'll peel away my tape backer. I'm going to take this piece and we're going to peel away the tape backer here as well as here. And now all I'm going to do is just take this and I'm going to lay it down like that. And that's how easy it is to cover this. So I'm just going to trim out my excess. Use my scissors to round the corner, and then we'll do the same thing on the back. So let's peel away the tape backer. We already have tape on the edge here, so we'll take this piece and we're going to place it down like that. Great way to use that extra wrapping paper, y'all. If you have some scraps, don't toss them. Go ahead and use them. Make them work for you in either gift giving, keeping for yourself, or adding them to a craft fair that you might be doing. So just going to clean up the edges here. Clean up the edges here. And now I have a fourth book. I am just going to take some of these little Bow Bunny stickers. I bought these at that huge after Christmas sale from Top Shelf a couple of years ago, or a couple of Christmas seasons ago. And I am just going to find something to put on here that will just be a little bit cute. I think what I might go with is I might put Merry Christmas right there, and then on the back side I am just going to add a little sticker right there. And so now, y'all, I have a fourth little booklet made using wrapping paper and these mini composition books. So I am now able to just take all of my scrap, if I want to, and turn them into these little books. Then I can take the books and I can package them in groups of 3, maybe groups of 2, tie them off, drop them in a stocking, or place them in a nice little bag. Completely up to you how you want to do it, but this just gives you an option for being able to use some of those wrapping paper scraps. And y'all, I have one more wrapping paper idea that I'll share with you in another very quick video. But I hope you've liked this way to take those wrapping paper scraps and use them. You don't have to use them on the mini composition books. You can use them on any size notebook that you might want to cover. But I hope that this has given you an idea. And if it has, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.